Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back on Drummond Island, one of our favorite spots. And one of the first places you're going to run into when you're on Drummond Island is the North Haven. And it is a magical place. It is owned by two wonderful people, very talented people. They make all sorts of things. We were fortunate enough to have a tour of the workshop where some of the stuff is made. Cutting all the pudding stone, making some of the jewelry, making the knife handles. Absolutely amazing. The man has skill. So much skill. Hi, gorgeous. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Look at you. Look at you. You are so pretty. You are so pretty. Hi, Boots. She's coming. Come see your daddy's right behind me. Come here. Well, because of the great weather, we decided to leave the van on the island and take the ferry over to see Hope's mom, and we were the only walk-on passengers. Everybody else was in their vehicles. Absolutely brilliant. Beautiful day, and we got to see Hope's mom. So, DeTour, love it. Another beautiful area. Hope you like some of the drones of DeTour. This is the Shipwreck. Probably the best breakfast you're gonna get up here. It's friggin' awesome. People are amazing. Two huge areas deforested.
Yeah, I'm curious to see what's going to happen in the future.
Yeah.
Will they ever see it, or?
No, I think people are buying it.
Don't scare the minnows. There's some big ass minnows in there too. This is the Babbling Brook. We got another bridge up here. We're gonna go check it out. Aircraft going all around where he is. Way up there in the sky somewhere. There's Kevin recording us with the drone. Should have known he'd be doing that. Okay, we're gonna head up further. There. Through. There in the middle and behind me. Just fossils everywhere, but lots of red up there. But I think this area is when we were kids, before this bridge. I know there was a bridge for Warner's Cove. But I think further back there was areas where it was flooded from beavers putting in dams and stuff. And It's probably long gone. Everything's built up nowadays. Nice flow. Coming from the swamp out to the water. A lot of little fish come swimming up to lay their eggs and spawn. And then go on. There's more of those little blue flag irises over there. So there's little peep ones. Hey, Bet, you swimming? Look at her. Chasing frogs. Coming down to see me. There's more of those red rocks. They're really pretty. There's some more iris. Blue flag iris. Oh, there's a minnow. Probably some of the eggs that had hatched. Right down there. There's a couple of them swimming around. They'll probably run once Bit gets up here. She's going to chase her some frogs and some minnows. Come on, Bit. Come see me over here. Okay, I'm going to meet you down here at the end. Come on, over the way across. There you go. There you go. Come on. Let's go find and see what Dad is doing. And the gentleman over there, he's looking for gems or artifacts or anything. I'm gonna go pick up that water bottle I found somebody left on the ground. And I see something over here, so I'll probably grab that too. Whenever we go anywhere, if we see trash, we try to pick it up. Yep, that's trash. We pick it up and we put it in our bag hanging on the back of our... Dan, watch out a bit. Let me get this. I just saw glass. There we go. And I'm going to put that in a trash bag. See, I got a glass and thing, and we'll just put our hands up in here. This is a backpack. We put what we find, even if it's doo-doo. So if someone tried to steal anything, guess what? They're either going to get doo-doo on their hand or trash. Of course, cigarette smokers. You know, you could start fires with that stuff. Put it out. If you're in the military, just remember what you had to do when you're in the military. Take the butt out. Put your heel on it, your toe on it, and take out the flame and put it in your pocket. Alright, come on, Bit. Let's go see Dad.
Look at that beautiful creature. Oh, there's two of them. I see you, Mama.
Right on the walk. The kids are gonna go nuts wondering how Bucky got all the way up here. Look, a Drummond Bucky. And his girlfriend pooping.
Little toasted cheese action going on in the van. Some sourdough bread. Some good cheddar. Should taste good. Toasted cheese looks good. Put a little onion salt on it. And this is a meal fit for a king. Poor king, but yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe, ding that bell, do all that good stuff. Tell your friends, and we'll catch you on the flip side and see you next week. See you guys.